All right, all right, all right. The eye of the tiger. You know what it is. You know what it is. You know what it, look at that. America, baby. That's America right there. That's America flag on 1,000 horsepower GT 500. That is America. Have I ever, look at that. It's America. America. Woo, doggy. All right, all right, all right. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. Y'all make some money. Well, I made some money over the weekend, actually. Sunday, traded some news. Had a big old pop. Big old pop. Sunday open popped up here based on some tariff news over the weekend. And right now, getting ready for market open. Gotta, bring it down with me. Bring it down with me. All right, all right, all right. Here we go. All right. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Take a look here. Let's take a look here. Right? Take a look here. take a look here, my friends. Right now, the Nasdaq, big push up there. Friday close, 20,975. Trump talked about, or I guess they extended the tariffs on European tariffs. So that was the news that drove the market higher. And well, we'll see if that momentum continues here today. We got some resistance here last week. Resistance there overnight right now. The London session, London market stuck there. We've got the Asian low down there. We've got a pivot point, and then obviously we've got the Friday level there as well. So anything's possible. Anything's possible. Right now above the VWAP here. If we can hold that VWAP level, I think the bulls are looking pretty good to take out this high. A lot of resistance there, that 360 area. Yeah, no, just look at that right there. Just waiting to get taken out. Kind of pulling back into this previous area of resistance there at the 280, 270s. I think, what we got? How's the market looking right now? How's the market looking? It looking like a little pullback here into open. What do we got today for news? We got any news today? I think we got some giveaways as well. Yeah, I got some giveaways here. Check out the onlyprofitfirms.com website. All right. What do we got? News today? We got consumer confidence news. Consumer confidence at 10 o'clock. I don't know if that's going to be like a big driver, but we've got some auctions as well later on today. Some treasury bond auctions. And that's kind of what we got here so far. Looks like the big news this week is going to be initial jobless claims on the 29th. So that will be, today's the 27th. That'll be on Thursday. So let's see what happens today. Market right now kind of just holding up here. But that is the onlyprofitfirms.com website. You can check out, see what deals are happening right now. There's some really kind of interesting deals in the space right now with those 50K accounts. If you look here, what's funny is the Tradeify growth account, the 50K Tradeify growth account is actually cheaper than the 90% off with Apex. Obviously, the Apex account is only $16 at 90%. So by the time you pay activation, it gets a little pricey. If we look here at like the 150K account, My Funded Futures for if you're a brand new trader, if you never used My Funded Futures, it's cheaper for the 150K starter plus, but Apex 150K account is the cheapest with Tradeify, and then Take Profit Trader after that. So a couple things to look at. The market's moving. Well, let's get into it here. Right now, the Nasdaq below that 21,300 level. Nice little push up. We got down there towards the VWAP, 241, the VWAP level. We got this resistance just looking like it wants to get taken out there to the highs being this 350 area. So right now, kind of looking maybe a setup here at open. Maybe a little pullback, a little dip, and then the rip would be nice to take out that high of all this resistance there at the 350s. We'll see. Patrick, what's the best way to pass the 150K eval on Apex? Really depends on who you ask. Some people will say slow and steady. I will say fast and hard, baby. Fast and hard. Fast and hard. Five-minute chart. Right now, kind of pushing up there into this little trend line area. That 21,300. The pivot points are going to be a little weird today. We're not going to have pivot points today because yesterday was a weird kind of holiday trading day. And then obviously Friday. So No pivot points today. They always get weird on the smaller time frames. Right? Yeah, no. Not going to show up there today. How will we trade? How will we trade? 21,300, that key level right now. See if we get above that at open. That VWAP down there, the bulls. You got this high up here, 360. Obviously, the news with Trump coming out over the weekend about the tariffs. And we'll see if that's going to bleed over into today's action. Look at the daily chart here. Daily chart. Interesting. Kind of just weird. It's always weird with those like holiday trading days, but on the daily chart, we've got this resistance up there, 21,550. That would be a big old boner candle to the upside, get us up there maybe. But right now, running into some previous resistance there at that 300 level. We got above Friday's high now, and just kind of pushing up there. We'll see where she goes. We'll see where she goes. Any day, any dollar bills. Dollar bills. Dollar bills. Oof. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Oof. Oof, oof. Like, I'm kind of like... I got a little bit of FOMO here. I feel like this thing could just start to rip at open, go straight up there, that 350 level. A little bit of FOMO there. I don't want to have it, but I got it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Ugh. I love a good weekend, but I also hate a 3-day weekend. You know, I don't need 3 days. 3 days is too long. Give me 2 days, give me a day, and then I'm back in it. I don't need 3 days to recuperate. You know, Monday, I just feel weird. I'm like, man, Monday. You know, I want to be making that money. You know, I want to be making that money. Can't make money when the market's closed, man. Patrick, I was kind of confused again. Did you end up buying a car in your video? Which one or ones did you purchase? And when do you get it? I bought the Midnight Purple GTR. It's a wide body. They built it in Japan by this really famous shop, Active Garage in Japan. They shipped it over here, and then I bought it. $180,000 for a GTR. It might be one of the most expensive GTRs sold recently, but fuck it. Fuck it. Didn't you say that GTRs are gay? Yeah, they are gay. Everything's gay. I'm gay. Hey! Is the car behind me new? No, this is the Mustang. GT500. The GT500. It says America. It's got 1,000 horsepower. It goes real fast. 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds. That thing is... It makes a lot of noise. It makes a lot of noise. That's right. It makes a lot of noise. It makes a lot of noise. Pulling up the ES here. ES looking very similar to the Nasdaq as well. The ES high so far, kind of that 5,912 area overnight. Will that be enough? Will this be kind of a bull flag here set up going into open? The $1 million question. We're above the VWAP here. Above the VWAP. So. Patrick, been in the hospital since Saturday, but still managed to make $500. Damn, dog. What are you doing in the hospital? What's going on, man? What's going on? Tell me about it. Meningitis. I don't think I've ever had meningitis. When is the next BDM party? Is that like BDM? I think that's bestiality. What? What's the car behind me? That's a GT 500. It should be called GT 1000 because it has 1,000 horsepower. But hey, you know, is what it is. Buy the TRX. Looks sick. I have a TRX. I already own a TRX. What are you talking about? I bought a new boat. Well, I bought another boat. I have 2 boats that I'm building, and then I bought another boat. It's not as fancy as other stuff, but for some reason it's really expensive. I bought a Hell's Bay for flats, for like a little flats boat. Take my son. He's all big into like tarpon fishing and all that stuff lately, so I'm going to take him out fishing. Do you fish, Patrick? No, never fish. How does the R33 feel? I haven't driven it yet, to be honest. I hope it feels good. Does the TRX actually launch? Yeah, it's pretty fucking fast. It's got 900 horsepower. Somebody said calls or puts. I'm going to go with calls. What do you think, chat? Green day or red day? The market right now up 1.5% on the day. Money, 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 money. Money. Up or down today? What do we got? Up, down. Up, down. Tony, why would you say chop? Why would you say that, Tony? Tony! Will you show us the opening trade today? I'm going to try. I'm going to try to show you. No promises, but I'll try. It might be happening right now. It could just start going. Fuck. 21,300. If I don't get long right now, it's going to go straight to 360. If I buy right now long, it's going to crash to 240. You know? It's a problem. It's a fucking problem, man. So annoying. So annoying. Right now, the chat, 83% up, 17% down. Damn. Is it time to fade the chat? Is it time to fade the chat? Uh-oh. Still got plenty of time here. 13 minutes till market opens. 13 minutes. We're sitting back. We're waiting. We're watching. Seeing some opportunities. Like if you're just now tuning in, we've got this resistance there overnight. The London high. 350 area. 350. The London high up there. VWAP currently there, 240 area. And then obviously we've got Friday close all the way down there at the 21,000. So we are opening up with a substantial gap below us. But we had news over the weekend with the European tariffs being delayed once again. Trump loves it, man. One day he's, you know, puts some... I think what really happened is Trump went long. On Friday, Trump bought a lot of call options, and then he tweeted over the weekend, and now he's up $1 million. Fuck, could you imagine? Could you imagine to have the power that Trump has? He could make billions of dollars every day if he wanted to. And you know he is. You know what I mean? Like, you know they are. Don't tell me that they're not. Don't tell me that there ain't somebody out there who's buying and selling. You know, Trump's calling him and like, hey, I'm about to tweet about Apple. Get ready. Load up on puts. You know. That shit should be illegal. I mean, it should, but it ain't. Fucking A, look at this. Nasdaq just going up. Through the 300s now. Like I said, this thing could just start to go. We got some resistance there at the 310s, and then after that, 350s after that. So It's more worrisome what he's doing with Qatar. He got a free jet, bro. Let the guy do it. Let the guy get a free jet, all right? How much was that jet? 30 million or something? $300 million? He's a billionaire. He has too many other things to worry about. I mean, maybe his son doesn't have a million other things to worry about. Barron, you know Barron's fucking buying and selling Bitcoin. Come on now. Do not tell me that he ain't. All right. We're getting ready here. We got America behind us today. We can't lose when America is literally behind us here, chat. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. You know what to do. You know what to do. They gave the jet to the U.S. Air Force, not to Trump. Well, I know, but it was still, they gave it because they like Trump. They didn't give no fucking jet to Biden, did they? Look at the difference between when Biden goes to the Qatar versus when Saudi Arabia. Look at the difference. When fucking Trump goes to Saudi Arabia, they put out the goddamn camels. Yeah, the ceremonial camels. That's right. Dude block sounds gay as fuck. Hey, Gary, how about this? Go fuck yourself, Gary. How does it sound gay? It's a deodorant company for dudes. Block the dude, bro. God. Fucking Gary. What? Dude block sounds gay? What? It's literally deodorant for dudes. To block the dude. All right, whatever, Gary. You're gay. Yeah, if I'm gay, then Gary's you're really gay, Gary. Gary, you're extra gay. I might be a little gay, but you're really gay, Gary. What accounts are you going to trade today? Island Girl. I'm going to trade all of them all at once. Close my eyes and just buy. Oh, I blacked out. You guys ever do that? You ever enter a trade and you just black out? I swear it happens to me all the time, man. I'd be like, I press the buy button and fuck, it's just, all I see is black. Ugh. I'm serious. I'm not even kidding. People will be like, Patrick, what's your strategy? I'm like, I don't know, man. I just press the button and then, look, I see the green. Blackout. Blackout trades. Somebody asked me the other day, Patrick, what's your stop loss? I said, you only need a stop loss when you lose. Patrick, what's your stop loss? I'm like, hey, if you never lose, you never get stopped out. Hey. I don't know, man. Stop losses. Stop losses are people who lose. All right? Stop losses are for people who lose. We ain't losing here. We're just winning. Just take profits. That's all we want. All right. Took out this little 310 area here for now. We got the VWAP down there, 240 area. We'd love to see kind of a quick rip down to that VWAP, maybe get a bounce. I mean, worst case scenario is we just go straight up at open. That would really suck. I wouldn't love that, I wouldn't be like overly excited. I wouldn't be like, Look at your age, bro. Look at your age, bro. Grow up. What do you mean? Look, I'm 25 years old. What's wrong with my age? Why does everybody always talk about my age? I had a guy the other day, he's like, Patrick, you should act your age. I'm like, why? My age is exactly what I want it to be. I don't have an age. I just live, make money. I'm in the age of fucking making money. How about that? I'm in the age of being a fucking millionaire. You look like you're 40. Well, good. I look like I'm 40 because I've been living, motherfuckers. I ain't sitting around fucking laying in bed all day with facial mask on, fucking rubbing cream all over my face like all these little bitches in the chat. Yeah, that ain't me. That ain't me, boy. I ain't sitting there fucking lathering myself up with fucking lotion. Fucking coconut butter. You coconut butter motherfuckers. God. Literally, imagine going on YouTube and then going somewhere and telling some guy, be like, you look old. All right, well, you want to come over here and kiss me? Is that what you want to do? Am I too old for you, boy? Come over here. You want to give me a big kiss? Patrick, you look old. I would never kiss you. Well, I wouldn't kiss you either, you butt fucking ugly motherfucker. You're not my type. All right. Oh shit. 5-minute candle. Is this happening right now? The 925 candle is going down. So that means the market's going to go down at open. You know? Patrick, how can you say all this stuff without cracking up? Oh, I'm laughing on the inside. I'm very good at laughing at myself. People think that I'm serious, but I'm not. I just say really crazy shit. Literally, stuff comes out of my mouth that I didn't even think about it. My brain doesn't even know what's coming out of my mouth. It's just I after the fact, I'm like, oh shit, did I really just say that? Oh, 5-minute candle. What's gonna happen here? Little dip. Little dip. Ah. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Scotty Z made $1,000 overnight. This Nasdaq is tricky, man. Why does the Nasdaq got to be a man? Why can't it? The Nasdaq doesn't have a gender, okay? Man. The Nasdaq doesn't have a gender. The Nasdaq wants no genders. Why don't you show your live trading? I do. This is all pre-recorded. I recorded this last night. I'm from the future. Okay, this is not live. We are not live on YouTube. It is not currently 9:27 a.m. Tuesday morning. We are not live. This was pre-recorded in a it's all AI. I am AI. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Patrick. Would you like to ask a question? I will answer it with all of my AI abilities. Oh shit, dog. It's crashing. The market is crashing. This is exactly what we wanted to see happen. If we can dip down here, bounce off that VWAP, take out this low, that'd be real good. Look at her. She's dipping. Dipping hard right now, boys. Dipping hard. Dipping hard. Down there, the 260s now. Dipping hard. Let's see what happens. You got 2 minutes here till market opens. Can we get the dip and then a rip here at open? Patrick, do you reckon depositing funds to Optimus Futures, is it safe? Yes. I use Optimus Futures for my personal account. Optimus Futures. All right. Right there so far, just selling off into the VWAP, that 240 level. We obviously have that big gap up overnight here. Will the market respect the VWAP, or do we sell straight through VWAP here at open? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Talk about ICT. What do you want me to talk about? His name is ICT. He lives in a fantasy world of little ICT munchkins. He's like the Willy Wonka of the trading world. Whenever I imagine ICT, I just imagine Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka. Banana, banana, ooh, ooh, banana. The Willy Wonka of the chocolate factory. Patrick, what do you think about order flow and footprint? I also think that's like Willy Wonka. Oompa loompa doopity doo. Will ICT come for you? Oompa oompa oompity doo. ICT is fatter than you. I'm just kidding. We're just playing. Just play it. Just play it. Just play it. I'm playing it. Don't get mad at me. Here we go. Market is open. All right, the dip down there to the VWAP. The dip to the VWAP. Will we bounce strong off the VWAP there? All right, so far VWAP holding up there. VWAP's a holding. Nice little push straight up here now. Trying to think about maybe taking a long here. But I kind of want to get... Ooh, look at that. Straight up off the VWAP there now. Come on. Come on, Jimmy. Don't do this to me. All right, we're touching that EMA there. 9 EMA. So far, just bounced right off that VWAP here. Oh, God. I think, like, if we can get back above this 290, 300 level, we should start to rip up there. Holding that VWAP level, so I'm just waiting. I want to basically get back above, like, these wicks here before really doing much. Just kind of watching there. And you can see why I did not get long below that EMA, right? That's that 21 EMA there on the 1 minute chart. Let the market kind of get through that before getting long. Look at that, reverse right back down again. So back to the VWAP we go, through the VWAP there now. 240s. Bounce right off the VWAP again, but just being patient. Why are you thinking a long? Well, I'm thinking long because it's looking like it's going long here, but just being patient. Bow. Bow. Bow, wow, 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 wow. Bow, wow, 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 wow. Still holding up there at the VWAP. If we get above that 280 level, again, like through this 280, 290 level, then we could go 320, 350. So just kind of waiting. I mean, we're just like right there at the VWAP. That hourly candle already took out this hourly candle. I'm just not like overly bearish right now. I might be wrong, but just trying to be patient here. Let this kind of do what it's doing there at the VWAP for now. $15-minute range coming up. That 15-minute candle right now kind of just stuck there at the VWAP. Patience, my friends, patience. Trouble there. Still, the overnight low, Asian low, is like 21,140 area, so about 100 points lower from here. Will we go that low now is the question. dipping hard down there, 230, 220s. Market's only been open for 5 minutes, so everybody relax. Don't get too excited. You know, don't get too excited just yet. So far, the bears are in control. That 925 candle painted the picture for that move down there so far. Straight down here. The chat said 83% go up today, and now the market all the way down. What happened, chat? Chat lied to me. Fuck. All right. Interested to see what happens here now. How come you haven't taken a trade? It's been 5 minutes. Market's just, you know, moving straight down there right now. How much am I down? I'm not long. What the fuck is wrong? I have no trade right now, you fucking morons. I'm literally sitting here doing nothing. There's no trade. Relax. God. The ES, the Nasdaq, everything's selling off right now. Is this a trap? Do we bounce here? 21,200 back up. Just being patient. Little bounce there off that 21,200 level on the Nasdaq right now. Good times. Just put your hands in the air and just wait. Shoo. 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 Just wait. Wait, 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 wait. So far, holding that 21,200 level. Got the VWAP there at the 244s. Good day to wait for that 15-minute range here. If we can push back up there, get stuck at the VWAP, you know, maybe that's a setup for a short, but right now, just sitting back here. This music is very chillin'. Chillin' ass music. So far, Nasdaq just kind of holding that 21,200 level, pushing back up towards the VWAP now. See what happens with this EMA right there. I feel like we got to kind of like push back up in that 250 area just to find some resistance there, but well, there's a little push back up there to the VWAP now. Let's be patient here, my friends. No rush. If we get through this VWAP, could start to reverse pretty hard. Got deny there at the VWAP. Nice little denial. Let this candle close. Go long and thank me later. Damn. All right. Going long and I'm going to thank him later. Go long and thank me later, he said. Love to see it. We love to see it. My exercise routine. I just go to the fucking gym, boys. Ah! Tyler's he's up big, laying in the hospital. Laying in the hospital, up big. Let's go. Even when he's sick, he's making that money. All right, right now, VWAP acting as resistance here. I'm kind of watching, like, if we get back below maybe 200s, maybe there's a short there. But just being patient. This is like the perfect spot to rip back up, so no shorts yet. Somebody said NQ will touch 21,150 today. Mark this. Oh, I marked it. I marked it real good. I'm going to mark it. I'm going to put it on the fucking board. Let everybody know. Mark it. How many minutes are you in the trade? I'm not even in a trade. What are you talking about? No trade right now. Still waiting. God. The chat is on one today. Now or never. Buy now. God. Now or never? There's never another chance? There's never another chance? This is the only chance? Now or never? Share your trade. I'm in it right now. I'm not in a trade. What is fucking wrong with people? I swear to God. I'm not even looking at the chat anymore. I'm not looking at the chat anymore. I am not in a trade. Everybody, I am not in a fucking trade. I'm not in it. I have no trade. All right, Nasdaq right there at the VWAP now. What does she want to do? See, now it's like if we can get above this VWAP, get like a push and then the pull back to the VWAP and then that push higher. Right? That's what we're looking for here. What was the highlight of your trip to Iceland? Fuck. Having sex in the Blue Lagoon. I think my dick grew at least 1 centimeter with all of that powerful volcanic water. Ruben Garcia said it's a bearish day. Well, hey, you go short if you want. That's all good. Pushing through the VWAP there. Did you eat a hot dog in Iceland? I did. I did. I had a hot dog. Hot dog. I mean, look, I'm not going to lie. It'd be looking like the longs want to push here, but Ruben said it's a bearish day. So if Ruben says it's bearish, then I guess the market can't go up. Not today. Not today, chat. It's impossible. Not allowed. I am asking if you took the trade means how much minutes you in the trade. I did not take the trade. Patrick, tell us how many minutes. Ah! Why will you not tell me how many minutes, Patrick? Tell me. I don't know. It might be a 1 minute trade. Might be a 2 minute trade. It'd be a 30-second trade. I don't fucking know, man. I just fucking close my eyes. I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, I got no idea. This is my first time trading. I just started doing this stuff. Okay, I'm just trying to figure it out. All right, we're above the VWAP here. Something's happening. It's percolating. Trust me, once I see something good, I'm going to take a trade. Right now, I'm just being patient, guys. Welcome to trading, man. Welcome to trading, all right? All right, we got the ES, we got the Nasdaq trying to push back up here. Ruben said it's a short all day type of day, so I don't know. I think your VWAP is off. Why is my VWAP off? Why aren't your VWAPs off? My VWAP settings. I don't know. Same shit. Guys, it's going up. What do I do? Everybody said it was a short. Why is it going higher? Why? Why? Is this good or is this bad? Guys, I'm scared. I'm very scared right now. I don't know what to do. It's going up. Everybody said the market was going to go down, though. Why did it go up? Why? 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 Why did they say that, chat? Why does the chat lie to me? Why did the chat lie? 15-minute range coming up here. We get above that 280 level. I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs. Now I need my pullback. Give me a bull flag, you know. Give me a pullback. A pullback. I need that pullback. The pullback. All right, now it's just basically get above this 280 level, break the 15-minute range, and then we got that 300, and then after that, the upside 350s. So, hey, I just want to remind everybody, there's a reason that you're here, right? The reason that you come here is to learn from PW. You don't come here to learn how to trade from some fucking morons in the chat who have no idea what they're talking about. So remember that. Don't take the advice of people in the chat. If the people in the chat say get short now, it's normally the perfect time to get long. Remember that, all right? All right. Now that we got that out of the way. The guy that said I took 5 trades already. I haven't. I literally have not. This is my Apex account. This is my Tradeify account. I have not taken 1 trade so far. What is wrong with people? Like, why do I have to take a trade? I'm waiting. I'm being patient. I'm looking for an opportunity here. You know? I'm looking for opportunities. What are you all doing? I can't. Oh, I deleted the wrong person's thing. Whoopsies. All right. There's a little pullback there into that EMA. I'm going to try a long here, chat. Trying the long here. 264s. See if we can get pushed through 280s. Take some profit above the 280s there next. And then maybe go a little higher for it. But we're up almost $4,000 on this trade so far. I really like it. I like it a lot. Oh, I really like it now. Daddy likey. I'm going to take it all right there maybe. Ooh. See if we get it all there out of the 280s. Hey, Patrick, take a trade. Patrick, please show me. Show me the trade. Guys, I'm showing you the trade live right now, by the way. Ba-da. Ba-da-da-da-da. I'm going to move this up a little bit. That 280 area just holding us down for now. We had a little bit of a dip down there. We should try to get through 280s, but always just trying to play it safe here. Let me move this up a little bit more. Let me go like this, actually. Get a little bit more reward out of this trade. All right, right now, it's got to get through that 280 level, and then we should go 300s or more next. A little choppity chop here. I might even add again. Let me see. We're right there at the top of the 15-minute range now. Right there. Just got to get through that 280 level. $280 level. $1 million question. Just lock it all in right here. Or let it ride. Letting it ride, chat. A little bit of hesitation there below the 280s for now. Had a very nice entry and then went right to the 280s, got stuck. Pulling back here, probably going to stop me out. We can always re-enter. Hey, you got to risk it to get the biscuit, my friends. The biscuit is a riskin'. We're risking the biscuit, boys. Biscuit risking. Just some good old biscuit risking. I am in the trade right now. Long, Chad. I am long. I am long. I'm so fucking long right now. I'm so fucking long, man. Boo-doo. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. All right. Trying to get through the 280s. Let me see if I can take some off right here, just in case we get stuck there again. You know, I play that. Ooh. Okay. Okay, chat. I got 5 left. I got 5 on it. Yes, I do. I got 5 on it. And how about you? Ooh. I got 5 on it. Yes, I do. Ooh. I got 5 on it. Yes, I do. It's so true. Hey, chat. Are you impressed? All right, there's that 15-minute range breakout. Can we get more? I got my stop here. I'm trying to trail this motherfucker to the 300s. Ugh. I'm over here just burping. I'm making so much money, I'm drunk. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Let's get through that 290 level. We're right there at the high of that 15-minute range. Can one man... Hey, what did I say, chat? What did I say? A very simple play here. Very simple play, my friends. Let's recap it one more time. Break it down for you. Real fucking hot. Real fucking easy. We had the VWAP. We get back above the VWAP. We had the EMAs. We get back above the EMAs. We had the 15-minute opening range. We had the little bull flag. We had the setup. We had the boom. We're making the money. It's that simple, you know. I don't want to say it's that simple, but it is that simple. That's how we do it here. Everybody was like, Patrick. I'm like, shut the fuck up and just watch. Just shut the fuck up and watch. Just shut the fuck up and watch me make the magic. Making the magic. He's making the magic. We got a little bit of numbers coming here at 10 o'clock. So hopefully this just goes straight up. If not, I might get stopped out for a small profit. He's making the magic. He's making the magic. I'm going to go pee. That's what I'm going to do. Haha. Go up, you little motherfuckers! Yeah, those numbers coming here in 2 minutes. Might have to just take the profit here. I'm going to take it right here at 291 just to lock it in so I don't fuck around with that numbers. We got numbers coming out here at 10 o'clock, so I'm happy with that. Hey, there you go. $6,000. One trade, $6,000. Where the fuck are my haters at? Where are the haters at? They ain't nowhere. How can one man be so fucking good? The best part about that trade, by the way, at no point was I in drawdown. Or maybe like a little bit of drawdown right there. But I was already took profits. So, hey, everybody can suck on my big old balls. All right, everybody. Just suck on my big old balls. Because we're up. Up. He's up. Up. All right, we got news coming out here. News. The news. Can we go through that 320 area next? $1 million question. God, I love it. I just fucking love it. I love being so fucking good at this shit, man. You know, I fucking love it, man. I fucking love it. You know, if you don't fucking love this shit, then don't even fucking waste my time. Just go fuck off somewhere, you know? Just go fuck, I don't even care what you do. Just go fuck yourself anywhere but here. You know, just go fuck yourself everywhere but here. You know, just be like, hey, get the fuck out. Just get the fuck out. Just go now and just get the fuck out. Just get the fuck out. Are you kidding me? Come on, chat. What's the price? What's the price? What's the price? Hey, Ruben, I love you, brother, but don't ever fucking come into my chat and tell me that it's a motherfucking bearish day. No offense, Ruben. I like you. I do. But don't ever fucking come into my chat and tell people that it's going to be a bearish day when you have no fucking idea what you're talking about. And that's the truth. That is the absolute truth. I'm not being personal, but again, don't come into my motherfucking live stream and tell the people that it's a bearish day. All right, don't do it, because you have no fucking idea. You don't know if it's going to be bearish. You don't know if it's going to be bullish. You have no fucking idea. Nobody has a fucking idea. All we can do is trade the motherfucking price action. You know, trade the motherfucking price action. Don't say, oh, guys, today's a bearish day. Look at everybody. It's a bearish day. Do you see how it's a bearish? I like bears. I like the bears. Yeah, well, I like the bears too. Bears on my nuts. Come on. I swear to God. Come on, you know? It's like, just come on, chat. You know? I mean, I'm not trying to be personal. Again, I like Ruben, I do. But again, just like, there's no, like, don't come to my fucking live stream and talk shit, you know? Like, don't do it. Because I'm going to put you in your place every time. Ruben's not blocked. Again, it's not personal. It's just like, you know, I fucking hate when people come in here and they go in the chat and they think that they fucking know everything. Right? It's not good for anybody. Because people in the chat see it and they're like, oh, Ruben thinks it's a short day. Oh, Ruben thinks it's a bearish day, so let me go short. You know? Like, so don't ever listen to motherfucking people in the chat, please. He wasn't talking shit. You also did a poll. I mean, no. Ruben literally said that it was a bearish day. For what? Like, why? Why was it bearish? Exactly. 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 You know? Why? Why was it bearish? It wasn't. It was not a bearish day. We had tariff news. Look at the hourly chart. Come on. The news could have gone either way. No, it wouldn't have. It wouldn't have. The news wouldn't have gone either way. It has nothing to do with fucking going either way. It's called, look at the fucking chart. We had tariff news. Literally, Trump said, hey, you know, last week he was going to make more tariffs on Europe. Over the weekend, he says less tariffs on Europe. I don't know. You know? I'm not a fucking rocket scientist. I just know that, hey, when Trump's a talking, don't go a fucking shorting. For anybody who's still long, congratulations. We got long earlier there at the 260s. Now it's up there, 21,340s. I shared the entire trade, the entry, the exit, everything live here on YouTube, by the way. Sergio said, Patrick, I saw you at the Panthers game. Yeah, that was a good time. We had like 6 YouTube subscribers come to the Panthers. We had a suite, the only prop firm suite. Good time, man. Do you think we're going to go above 360? I mean, I don't see how we don't take out this high from the overnight at this point. Look at the hourly chart. 15-minute breakout, the 15-minute opening range breakout. Boom. Dodgy and Brett Simba. Hey, you know. You know how we do. Man, she still wants more. Need more of a pullback here. And I gotta, like, I just can't get long, you know? This is my Tradeify live account. And it's hard. I can't just get long right here. You know? I need some type of pullback here. Give me a little bit of a pullback here. We took the trade in my Apex funded account. Locked in $6,000, $6,200 there. Look at that. 100% baby. Somebody asked earlier, what's the time? Well, looked like we were long for like 7 minutes there on that trade. So now I've just got to wait for a pullback. You know, even if we don't get it, patience. Told you to long and thank me later. We take last week's high. Motherfucker, I told you to long. Why you always, why does everybody, like, everybody comes in here and just wants, so, yeah, they just want to be like, they just want acknowledgement. They want daddy to acknowledge them. I know. You know, the chat is like, they're like my little children. Patrick, acknowledge me. Patrick, acknowledge me. Talk about me, Patrick, please. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name, Patrick. Say my name, when nobody else is around you. Tell baby I love you. Say my name, when everybody's coming, everybody's staying. I just wanna playin', we gonna be playin'. Something like that. Say my name, when nobody else is around you. Tell baby I love you. Say my name. All right. Fuck. Gotta be some little pull. We need a little bit of a pullback here, chat. It's a little bit of a pullback, you know? A little bit of a pullback. Give me a little bit of a pullback, chat. Just a little bit. Just a little tiny bit. Just a little tiny bit. Do you have backfire in the Ford? Oh, yeah, buddy. She's a mad. She gets real angry. GT500 gets real angry. She's a naughty girl sometimes. She gets real naughty. She's just holding up here, 340s. She'd be like, say my name, when nobody else is around me. Tell me, baby, I love you. Oh. It's like, it's bull flagging, but it's just not like, we're not getting much of a pullback there. We need more pullback, you know? It's hard to, it's like a little very shallow micro bull flag here. Little micro flag. Micro flag takes us up there, 350, 360s maybe. But still, it's... I like this pullback a lot more, you know? I like that pullback down there a lot more easy, a lot more nice on my baby girls. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 da ba. Ba da 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 da. Trying to push up there to the 50s now. Will they go? 50s, 60s. This is that overnight high area resistance. Obviously a lot of resistance there at that 360 area. Overnight was resistance. You're going to have people who are trying to be putting their, you know, short in here. They're trying to short there. They're trying to get short, you know, they're trying to be all short and shit. Got a big seller at 350 right now. 40 contracts sitting there. Will they run that 350 level now? Big seller, 350s. Will they get taken out? 40 contracts just sitting there on the book right now. Oh, buddy. They're getting filled. They're getting filled. 50s got filled. 350s got filled up there to the 50s now. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, buddy. I took a small little trade here. This is my live funded Tradeify account. Took that break through the 40s up there into the 51s. And you might wonder, Patrick, why did you not tell us? To be honest, I don't tell you fuckers because I don't need everybody trying to take the same fucking trade as me when we're at a fucking level like this. And I'd be worried about liquidity, right? Especially because I'm trading a live account. So it's a lot harder to get filled. And we're just too close to that resistance there. So if I tell everybody in the chat to get long and then everybody tries to sell at the same place I'm trying to sell at, then I'm not going to get filled because y'all are going to fuck me. So, sorry about you. I can't help you all the time. It's a true story, though. You know, I'm not even lying. I'm not even lying. You might think I'm lying, but I'm being serious. All right, there's from the 38s up there to the 51, still going higher. Did you get stopped out? No, I was long from the 38s and I took profit at 51. How would I have gotten stopped out? I swear to God, the chat has some people in the chat have fucking Down syndrome. Like, I don't know what it is. But people in the chat sometimes, they go fucking full retard up in here. My special friends in the chat. My special friends. You guys are my special friends. I love you guys. You're so special. Still just kind of holding up there. 350s grinding higher. I mean, the best part is, you know, hey, that long earlier. God damn, chat. Look at that. I should have held that. Should have just held it. She's still going higher. 360s now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Everybody in the chat earlier said it was going to be a short day. What the fuck? Don't be stupid, chat. Don't be fucking stupid. Be smart. Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. What did I say? Very simple. Very simple idea here, guys. Trump, over the weekend, talked about, well, they delayed tariffs on Europe. That's some bullish fucking news, right? It's hard to sell off when the whole market is like, fuck, we got news about tariffs. The setup was there. The setup was there. Also, this was so evident overnight. Come on, look at this. I want you to look at this. Oh, fuck me. Look at something here. I'm going to show you guys $1 million fucking dream right here. God damn it. Where's my thing at? Delete drawings. What do we have going into open? We had all of this resistance sitting there. Right? All of that resistance. That basically was like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. The London market, it pulled back. We had the VWAP down there. We had this low. Come on. Come on now. Are you know what I mean? Like, come on. Come on, chat. Come on. Come on, come on. Bigger time frame. Hey, I might not be a genius. I might not be a genius, chat. But I'll tell you one thing. I know how to trade. And, well, proven it. I've proven it over and over again. How many times do I got to prove it? And they still be coming in here like, Patrick Wheeler doesn't know how to trade. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good, bro. Whatever you say to yourself. Whatever helps you sleep at night. Whatever helps you fucking sleep at night. The best part is now I can just walk away. I can just leave. Go do something else, you know? Go enjoy the rest of the day. Just go and enjoy it. Are you saying it was supposed to break that resistance? Well, what I'm saying is, look at that. Look at that. That's just like, it's too much. Too much. It's got to take that out. You know, it's just too much. You can see how we kind of like, we dipped down, made this low, we pushed up. It's like, think about the wave. How does the market move? It moves in waves. You know, market moves in waves. So if the market's going to go up, what's it going to do? It's going to pull back. It's going to go. So when you see these like tops of those waves, that's just like the perfect spot for that next wave to push through. I mean, that's all it is. Don't overcomplicate this shit. So many traders try to overcomplicate trading. This is all you need to understand. That literally the market moves in a fucking wave. That's all it is. The market literally goes up and down. If it's going down, it's going like this. Down. Down. So think about it like this. If you look at the overnight. Look at the overnight here. Especially with the news that came out. Does this look like a wave that wants to go like that? Is that what we got? Is that the wave? Or is this the wave? You know? Now do you see this wave? You're like, oh, that makes more sense. I mean, it's still just kind of grinding higher here. So. Someone said the bull flag on the daily chart. Definitely not a bear flag on the daily chart. Definitely not a bear flag. I'm trying to help people. I really am. People talk so much shit about me, but if you watch these live streams, if you fucking like tune in every day, you're gonna fucking learn. You might not learn how to become a millionaire day trader, but you're gonna learn how to stop doing fucking stupid shit like shorting at the goddamn bottom, right? That right there, my friends, if you can just get past that point as a trader, if you can stop fucking shorting at the bottom, you're gonna make a lot more money, right? You're gonna make a lot more fucking money if you just stop doing that one very simple thing. And everybody was talking shit this morning about not taking a trade right away. Why? If I know, if in my head, I'm like, hey, I think there's a very good chance we take out this level. All right, if I'm thinking that, if that's going through my brain, if I'm like, there's a very good chance that we're going to take out these highs. Do I want to short at open? Is that where I want to get short at? You know, am I like, okay, I'm going to get short right here, everybody. Ha ha ha. Oh, look, it went down. But look how much more fucking it went up. You know? The VWAP, baby. Don't fuck with the VWAP. Still going higher. Fuck. Shit fuck. Shit fuck fuck shit. I don't know. I'm really trying to be helpful. I'm trying to help people. You know, I'm not charging people to learn this. You don't have to buy my course. You don't have to watch a 5-hour fucking seminar. You don't have to do anything. Just believe in one thing. Even if you hate me, you think I'm the biggest scam, just adopt this one model. That the market moves in waves. That's all you need to do. Just do that, right? Just do that. And your whole entire trading will change. Everything will change the minute that you accept that the market moves in waves. So if I am a short, where do I want to be shorting at? I want to be shorting at the top of the wave. I do not want to be shorting at the bottom of the wave. I want to be buying the bottom of the wave. And then I want to be selling the top of the wave. I want to be buying the bottom of the wave. And then I want to be selling the top of the wave. That's it. That's it. That is literally trading. That's a $1 million course right there. Congratulations. There it is. I just gave you guys $1 million fucking dollar course for free. Buy low, sell high. I mean, that exactly. But you never know where is the bottom. You don't need to know where the bottom is. What do you need to know? Guess what? Look at the chart. What do we do? Looks like we put in a fucking bottom, right? Does that not look like a bottom? Look at the 5-minute chart. Bam. Look at the 1 hour chart. Looks like a goddamn bottom. You know, if we get above that 5-minute, that 1 hour candle, what happens next? There's a very good fucking chance that we go higher. Bam. Look at that. I'm not making this shit up. This is it right here. This is the holy fucking grail of trading. You don't need any methods, any concepts, any fucking unicorns, any fucking nothing. You don't need shit. This is it. This is all it is right there, my friends. On the 4 hour chart, is it an inverse head and shoulders? Let's look. I think it is. Yeah, you know, you got a great eye there. Look at the 4 hour chart. Head and shoulders. That's it. That's all it is. This is the $1 million course that everybody wants. You know? Everybody wants that course. Everybody wants to learn how to day trade, but they can't do the one simple thing in the world. They can't do the most simple thing in the world. That you just got to believe in one thing, that the market moves in waves. If I want to be getting long, I want to be getting long here. I want to be selling there. If I want to be getting short, I want to be getting short there, buying here. Obviously, trade the trend. If the market's selling down, what happens? It still moves in waves. Going down. Bang, 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 bang in a channel. You know? The hardest part for every trader out there is just being patient and letting the market do what it's going to do. And then after that, you take a trade. That's all it is. What did we do today? We waited for our setup. Once we had this setup, once we got back above the VWAP, I told everybody, I'm like, hey, I'm fucking getting in here, boys. I'm getting in here. What do? We got in. Got long at the 64s. Sold a little bit into the first little pop. Sold some more there. And look, it just kept going higher. I'm not going to say it's easy, but like, don't fucking make it hard. And people that are like, but Patrick, how'd you know it was going to be the bottom? I don't know, right? I have no idea if it's the bottom or the top. I have no idea, right? I don't know. But what I do know is that, like, hey, what happened here? We had this low, we put in a higher low, right? Putting in that higher low increases the odds. It increases the chances that the market is going to go higher from there, right? Because it's like, hey, basically, like, if this was going to sell, it would have been like, selling through there. But instead, we got back above the EMA. We push up. We bounced off the EMA. I got long. I probably could have got long a little lower there, but I got long right there. Bang, bang, bang. Here, basically, you know, mental stop loss, kind of like 240. Sitting there waiting. My stop loss would have basically just been like in this area here. Because I also, like, I trade momentum, right? I'm trading momentum. So if we don't have momentum, well, like, I very rarely get stopped out. I know that, like, everyone says that, but I very rarely get stopped out because for a few reasons. Number one, I'll take 20 points. I'll take 20 points, no problem. Number two, I'm entering the market where where the market is pushing. So the chance of the market pulling back and stop me out before I get my 10 points, 20 points is lower on average, right? There's a lower chance that the market is not going to kind of push through and then pull back. That's why I'm entering for these like flag breakouts for these setups. Now, if I get long at the top here, you know, there's a better chance that there is a pullback here. Well, it might not be the top now, but like if I get long right here, you know, there might be a better chance because we didn't just go from basically the low of day back above the VWAP and then that rip. So, Patrick, I made $1,500 in my Tradeify straight to funded account. Do you recommend losing money? I don't know. Do you teach how to enter trades in your $199 course? I do. We have a course. That's right. You can check it out. There's some big deals going on right now. You can use the code PW, get 50% off with My Funded Futures for a chance to win a computer. Oh, buddy. Look at how sexy I'm looking. God damn. How does one man look so sexy? I don't know. Chat. I don't know how I do it. Come over here, editor. Show him your new apparel. Oh, new t-shirts. Show him the back. Oh, cash and checks breaking next, baby. Breaking, baby. I got a video for you. I sent you an email. Download it. Get it up there for the people. Still going higher. Fuck. I'm like sitting here watching it go higher. I'm like, do I want to get in here? Nah. Not doing it. Give the editor more money. Motherfucker, he makes so much money you don't even know. He's the highest paid employee with a wiener. Well, that's not married. Because once you get married, your wife cuts off your pee-pee. So my other employee that's married, he gets paid more, but he's married, so he don't got a pee-pee no more. Come on, bro. It's gonna go higher. I get it. You know, I get it. Go for it. You know, it don't hurt me. I'll be all right. If I miss out on, you know, more of a move here, I'll be fine. That's the great thing about it. The great part about it, you know, is I'll be all right. If it does go higher or not. We're already up on the day, nice and green on the day, starting off the week nice and green. I like starting the week off nice and green. It's obviously a shorter week. I won't be here on Friday as well because my fishing captain's getting married. Old Captain D getting married. Oh, man. Everybody asking me when I'm going to get married. People thought that I was going to pop the question when I went to Iceland. Little do they know. I ain't no basic bitch. I ain't going to no basic ass place to pop the question. You know, people be like, "Oh, you gonna go to Disney World and pop the question?" But what the fuck? Sign that prenup. I ain't got no money anyway, so she can have everything. I'm poor. I spent all my money on cars and lost it all. Don't buy cars. They're not good investments. Don't buy a car. It's a bad investment. Don't do it. All right, Nasdaq 21. Ugh. See, I wish I was obviously still long from the lows, but we had that 10 o'clock news, so I got out of it just so I wouldn't get chopped up or something stupid. But you can see the market just kept going higher there. So, Patrick, I don't understand. Apex trading, 1 day to pass. Don't worry about it. You don't have to pass it in 1 day. You have multiple days to pass it, but they're just saying if you want to, you can pass it in 1 day. But again, don't worry about it. Just trade and have fun. Did you buy the R33? I did buy it. I got to text the guy right now. I'm like, where the fuck's my car at, dog? Where the fuck is my car at, dog? What's a good song to celebrate today? Who's got I need a song. I need something like a Taking It Easy song. Is there a song called Taking It Easy? Taking It Easy, the Eagles, right? It is right-hand drive. Right-hand drive. mind. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Lighten up while you still can. Don't even try to understand. Just find a place to make your stand. Take it easy. Well, I'm standing on a corner in Winslow, Arizona. Such a fine sight to see. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed Ford, slowing down to take a look at me. Come on, baby, don't say maybe. I've gotta know if your sweet love is gonna save me. We may lose and we may win, but we will never be here again. So open up, I'm climbing in. So take it easy. Running down the road, trying to loosen my load. Got a world of trouble on my mind. Looking for a lover who won't blow my cover. She's so hard to find. Take it easy. Take it easy.
The sound of my old loves drive you crazy. Come, baby. Come on, lady. The sound of your old love drive you crazy. Woo-hoo! 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 Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I love this shit. You know, I just fucking love it. I love you guys. I love it all. It's so much fun, right? This is the ultimate. We are literally living the ultimate fucking dream. Think about that. No, honestly, think about it. Think about it. I want to, let's talk serious talk, chat. Serious talk. Think about this. Trading is the ultimate because there is nothing to stop you from making $1 million. If you want to make $1 million, if you want to put in the time, you want to put in the effort, you want to fucking do it, ain't no one going to stop you, right? You don't have any employees to worry about. You got no supply issues. You got no fucking delivery issues. It is the ultimate motherfucking business, especially nowadays with the prop firm game. It is insane. The amount of leverage, the opportunities. I mean, every day there's a fucking new prop firm that's got some fucking deal. You can get in and get the payouts. It ain't easy though. That's the one thing, right? A lot of people are going to end up failing. And the reason that they fail is number one, they get a really bad mentor. I mean, that's truth. I'm just being honest. Like, don't fucking buy Tori Trade's course because she's not a trader. She's not, right? She's an influencer that made some money trading and then made a $4,000 course, right? And it's bullshit. Because, again, if you make $100,000 a month with your Discord, trust me, like you'll probably get lucky and you'll make money trading. And I know it sounds funny, but like I'm not trying to be a hater, but like if you're paying to learn how to day trade from somebody who has a Discord and they're like in their Discord, they're making $5,000 a month trading, like that's not hard, right? It's not hard to make $5,000 a month when you're running a Discord because your Discord pays all of your bills. It pays for everything. It pays for your trading. It pays for your losses. It's not hard, okay? It's not. But the truth is, find somebody, not even find me, but find somebody out there who doesn't make a lot of money from running a Discord. I'm kind of like shooting myself in the foot here. Yes, I do make a lot of money as an affiliate, but the thing about me being an affiliate versus being a Discord leader is people are going to buy. They're going to buy fucking evals. They're going to buy prop firms no matter what. So at least I should get paid, right? You know? But hey, I'm here every day with you guys, live on YouTube. I broke down the most perfect setup this morning. I mean, it could not have been any more perfect. It really couldn't have been. If you got long there this morning when I got long, you know, on this bull flag, let's just say you got long at any point in this area. I mean, you're up 100 points right now. You know? You know? Sean Singh said, my dumb ass trying to make $500 a day and you're just starting. Well, I think the best way to do that mentally, like your psychological, is to like forget about making money and just try to pretend that the goal is to not lose money. I know that does sound very like counterproductive, but if you train your brain to go from focusing on how much money you're going to make, and you focus on how much money you're going to lose, trading changes. Because now, instead of being like, fuck, man, I want to make $10,000 a day, now you're like, hey, I'm going to look for a good setup. I'm going to wait for my setup. I'm going to take my setup, and then I'm going to make money. You know, that's the difference. You know, that's the difference, my friends. And hey, you can hate me. You can love me. You can say whatever you want about me. But, I mean, the proof is in the pudding, right? I've been on here for how long now? I've been on YouTube for 8 years. I've had my ups, I've had my downs. It wasn't always easy. It wasn't always just money, money, money. But I'm at a point now where I can literally say, hey, I could walk away from trading right now. I could walk away and never come back to this YouTube bullshit, and I can still make 6 figures a month trading. 100%, that is a fact, and ain't nobody could ever take that away from me. Do you know what I mean? Like that right there, that is the dream. Right? Even if I say, hey, fuck this YouTube channel, I can go live on an island somewhere and I can just make money for the rest of my life. And that right there is on. That is it. That is the dream. You can see here, this is Top Step. This is Tradeify. Tradeify, the live leaderboard on Tradeify. So this is the top 10 live traders at Tradeify right now. You can see PW. The only reason that these 3 people are above me is because they traded through Tradeify back when you were allowed to have 7 accounts. So they had more money in payouts because they had 7 accounts. I was only allowed 5 accounts. I get it, you know. I'm not going to hate on them, but I am coming for them. First off, I'm already in 3rd place, by the way. I'm already up. You can see my stats here. My win rate, 63%. My current live account, 51,000. I took $50,000 in live payouts, and I've been in the account for 46 days. 46 days. Who else is on that chart got over 46 days? Nobody. So, hey, you know, haters gotta hate, players gotta play. Everybody say, hey, hey, hey. And you can see here in my balance, this is my live account here. So my balance right now in this account is $59,000. I made $7,000 over the weekend or Sunday night, $6,000. So my total account right now is $59,000. I originally started out with $27,000. I took a $50,000 payout recently, and right now we got $59,264 in that account. And you can see here, I mean, hey, how many other YouTubers are going to do this? This is all live. I can literally show you this month so far. My total P&L, only $34,000. Not too crazy. You know, I really haven't been doing too crazy. I've had some red days. I've talked about that as well. I've had some red days this month, right? Yeah, it's been kind of up and some down. So I haven't had the best trading. I'm not trading the best I ever have, but you know, we're staying going. We're going, keeping it going. You can look last month, trading just one account. This is just one live funded account with Tradeify. My stats for last month, I made $41,000 trading just one live account. And the best part is, like I said before, I've been kind of in a weird spot with this account. This has not been like my best trading, but still, even when I'm not trading my best, I'm still walking away with $40,001 in a month of trading with just one account. So I'm happy with it. I think, you know, it's the proof. The proof is in the pudding. And you can see I was actually in drawdown here. Maybe it was last month. I think last month I had a big drawdown. Yeah, you can see I was actually I was down $17,000 in this account last month. So again, it's not always a straight line. You know, it really isn't. So, which is funny because even with the 64% win rate there, you know, we came back. So we were down, yeah, 17,000 was the lowest that I got the account down to. Or I was 17,000 down in total profit, basically. Because, you know, my straight to funded account then transferred into the live funded account. So I basically gave back 17,000. And then we started grinding back, which is funny because, like, look at the dates. What would that be? April? Beginning of April, I basically was just like red day, red day, red day, red day, you know, basically a lot of red days. And then we came back. Bam, 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 bam. We grinded it back up there. So this is just one live account with Tradeify, by the way. This is not copy trading. This is not, you know, Apex 20 accounts. This is one live account. And I'm trading it very conservatively. Because I want to keep it going. I want to have some longevity with this Tradeify account because a lot of other influencers got Tradeify live accounts and they've already blown them up. So I'm like, hey, you know, like I want to show the world, show people. Like I'm not full of shit. I might talk a lot of shit. I might be, you know, a lot of entertainment. I might be blah, 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 a big hater or whatever you want to call me. But the money is made. The money's real. How did I let you go? So when I say negative 17,000, I had a balance of like 30,000 before that, right? I had a balance of 30,000 and then I lost 17,000 and then I got it back up. You know what I mean? And hey, the funny part is like at the end of the day, if you look on the month, like look at the month. Yes, I had red days, you know, I had plenty of red days, but at the end of the month, I still made $41,000. Total profit. That's like total profit, you know? So, I don't know. Hate me, love me, do some more of me, you know? I don't know. Let's see what this quarter. So since I basically started this account, originally started this account, I think I started this account like pretty much like beginning of April, maybe a little bit of March. Or this quarter. What about this year? Yeah, so since I started this account, total like P&L is $65,183. But that's only from the live account. That's not any copy trading. That's not putting more money into the account. That is $65,000 total made since I started this account back in March. So March, April, May, 3 months, $65,000. It's not the best, you know, like I said, I'm not sitting here bragging because this is my best stats ever. Like I've obviously made more money than this, but again, it's a live account. We're not copy trading. We can't blow it up. We can't fucking, you know, we can't do anything crazy. But what's wild is look at the profit and loss. So my total profit that I've made in this account is $267,000. Total loss, $193,000. So, you know, there's definitely stuff to be said about that. I need to work on my losers, cutting off my losers quicker, and just being a little bit more, you know, a little bit more defensive. If I was a little bit more defensive, well, then my P&L would be a lot more green. So, why you don't trade more? Because, again, trading more does not make you a better trader. Could I trade more here today? Sure, right? Maybe I should. Maybe I should just put on more trades all day long. But it's not going to make me a better trader. I'm not going to make more money trading. If I don't have a setup, like the majority of my good setups happen here. They happen between 9 o'clock and 10:30, basically. And then after that, my setups just don't work as well. I'm a momentum trader, right? So I've got to trade momentum. If the market's going sideways, well, then there's no momentum to trade. And that's just like kind of how it goes. The thing too is like I'm trading my Apex account as well. So I took one trade on my Apex account this morning. Bang, bang, bang. I got one Apex account. I don't have any copy trading right now. The reason that I have one account is because I want to show people like, hey, what could I do if I just trade one Apex account for, 50 days? How much money can I make? And we're going to see. Could I get $1 million payout from one account? I don't know. I don't want to put too much pressure on myself, but Maybe I could. But yeah, I mean, I'm kind of splitting up the risk. You know, Apex account, took that trade there, locked in 6,000. And then I went over here to my Tradeify live account, and I was like, well, I'm going to take just like 5 contracts to lock in $1,000 just to kind of get that done for the day. And that's what we did. So there it is. Another day, another dollar. The market giving us a setup this morning. Just don't overcomplicate this shit. You know? Yeah, and I laugh because so many people this morning were like freaking out. The first 15 minutes, everybody in the chat was like, maybe not everybody, but all the people in the chat, they're like, take a trade. What are you doing? Short. Trust me. Do you think, hey, think about this. Think about it like this. Do you think profitable traders are sitting in the chat telling people to short? You know, do you think that? Like, do you think that? Do you think there's like a profitable trader just sitting in the chat right now, just like, guys, go short. Fuck no. Fuck no, they're not. Why did Rips get invited to Tradeify TV? I don't know. I got invited too, but I'm not going. I would never, I'm not doing that again. I already went, remember when I was on Top Step TV and then they fucked me over in the end? So I told Brett Simba, don't fuck me over like MP did. But yeah, I will not be going on Tradeify TV. They are my direct competition now at this point. And I think we know who's winning. It ain't them. So I ain't worried about it. But Patrick, you said to short. When did I say to short? What's the most that you've made in one day? I don't know, $100,000? Have you ever done Forex trading? I have not. Never traded Forex. Tradeify is killing it. I don't think so. What do they do numbers a day? Even with Rips on there. Let's see what they did. They got 1,000 people watching them right now.
Identify, you know, it makes you,
The blind leading the blind. Look at these guys. Just more blind people lining more blind people. Like, I just don't, you know, don't put just random ass people on the internet and think that they're going to be coaches and start teaching people how to day trade. You know, don't do it. Don't do it. It's just a bad look. The guy here, Nick's up $10. He's up $10 on the day. Like, who the fuck? Hey, everybody, I made $10 a day. I made $10, everybody. Don't do it. I put in the time. I put in the effort, right? I've been here long enough that I can say and do whatever the fuck I want. Because I was on YouTube before any of these motherfuckers even knew what trading was. That's the best part. I've been on YouTube longer than most of these fuckers even know what trading was. Come on, chat. Come on. You know, come on. Come on with me. Trying to see what Top Step's at. Oh, God.
Yeah, just a couple big order came in at the highs.
Dude, look at Top Step. Top Step's up $47 on the day. $47. I couldn't even make $47 if I tried. You know? I couldn't even make, it wouldn't even be possible. I wouldn't even know how to do that. How do you make $47? How do you make $47? How do you do it? How you gonna do that? How you gonna make 47? I don't even know how that works. Oh man. Well, somebody asked me if I could do a quick recap of the trade for my trade today. Yeah, sure. Let's check this out. I showed it all live on YouTube. Basically, what I was looking for was kind of that VWAP level, right? Get back above the VWAP. I wasn't overly bearish. You can see, yes, we were selling down, but like, you know, just like let this thing kind of sell down. We had a key level, 21,200 key level. Anytime there's a whole number, it's always a key level, which you can see. What's very evident here as well, this candle takes out that low. This candle takes out that low, right? So we took out the low of that candle at 936, and look at the reaction. We came right back up. So that's either telling me that, hey, we're going to push back up and then build out a bear flag, or this is going to push back up. And the way I look at it is like this. A bear flag, right? A bear flag here can turn into a higher low very easily. Because what happens? This is like kind of that, people think like, oh, I'm going to get short right away on this bear flag. No, no, no. Because why? Because now this is the perfect spot to put in a higher low. We put in the higher low, 220s. We get back above the EMA, the 21 EMA. We go do. We had a little bit of a dip back into the 21. I got long there at 64s. Took a little bit of profit there at 81. Took some more profit. We had numbers at 9 o'clock. And bam. I mean, that was it. You know, that was the setup. Like we said earlier, we had a really good target. That target was this, all of this here, 360 area, target, that London high. That's my target, right? Bam, bam. Where did you take the trade for a short? I didn't take a fucking trade for a short. What the fuck are you talking about? I only took one trade today. What? Why would I have taken a short there? Why does, you guys can see the chart right here. There's my chart. Here's the long. Here's me selling. They're not 3 trades. I bought, I sold 5, I sold 5, I sold 5. Come on. Y'all gotta use your motherfucking brains. This is what's wrong with this fucking world. People in the chat, but yeah, you took 3 trades. You took 3 trades. Why didn't you just hold? We had news coming out at 9 o'clock. That's why I did not just hold. If we didn't have the 9:30, the 9 or 10 o'clock news, I'm saying if you were watching for a bear flag and you're saying high or low, then if it was a short, where would you have taken it? Honestly, I would not have taken a short until we got below 200. And then I still, like, it wouldn't have been like a beautiful short. You know? And yes, it was clearly a bullish day here. Fuck, now they're going to push it up there to the 400 level next? Maybe. Should I go in 15 contracts? Let's go. This is where this is where bad things happen to me, right? This is always the time of the day where bad stuff happens. Around like 11 o'clock, you know, I get a little bit of FOMO. I missed out on all of this. And then what do? I get long right here at the 380s, and then it starts to fucking pull back. So I'm trying to avoid that. I don't know about you guys, but I would like to kind of, you know, avoid the blow-ups, make the money, and focus on that. So, I mean, it does seem like 21,400 is pretty much the play there. Especially if you look at the bigger time frame. There's not really much to like stop it from pushing through there. This was that, we had that drop last week when the bond market sold off, right? We had that big sell-off of the bond market. And now we're kind of pushing back up into there. So that 21,500 area, I mean, there's like, it's not like, you know, it's not like, I would feel like it's not like a lot of resistance from stopping it going back up here. So there it is. I got things to do, places to be, people to see. I got to go pick up the Lambo. I'm getting some new wheels on the Mercedes, picking up a new boat today. I mean, I ain't even got time to do everything. You know, I got none of time. Also, if you're looking at the chart right now and you're like, okay, what do I want to do? I mean, look at the bigger time frame. The hourly chart, yes, we're like kind of at the top of this hourly candle right now. It's hard to get long at the top of that hourly candle, especially when you have that big body. There's not really much of a pullback here. If you go to the 5-minute chart, you can see we're kind of putting in those wicks. We pushed above there, you know, maybe some pullback here. Doesn't mean that I think it's going to go straight down, but just kind of stuck there for now. And this is that time of day, you know, where, like I said, it's not a good day for me. It's not a good time of day for me. I normally try to stay away from trading 11. So if it is a bear flag happening at a key level, wait for the level to be broken and then wait for another bear flag. There you go. wait for some continuation, right? You know, I think about it like this. Like, let's say if this was, like, if that bear flag played out there, no, if we say, like, kind of on the 1 minute chart, like, if that bear flag would have played out there, like, where's kind of the continuation level, you know, down to the low there from the overnight low would have been like 140s. So you still had plenty of room to the downside there. If we would have broken 200, you know, there's 50, 60 points to the downside. So you don't need to be quick. You know, you don't need to get the whole move. Just look for that, like, you know, that continuation of the move. That's what I'm looking for. But I don't want to just, like, get short right away here because I'm like, ooh, that higher low there, it's sketchy. And also, it's all the question of, like, what is your kind of bigger thesis? You know, what makes more sense here? And like we said, it made more sense for the market to push up through this level than it did to pull down here. Why? Because, like, just look at the difference. Look at the difference here at the low down here in the price action, right? See how that's like almost like an inverted head and shoulders? It just doesn't look as much of a target. It looks more of like, oh, that was, you know, kind of buyer stepped in there, it pushed, and then they ran up there to that resistance. So, seeing that, how we're just like literally stuck there, that was the whole entire London session. 3 hours, right? 3 hours of being stuck at this level. 351, 3 hours of being stuck at 350. Y'all see the difference? Is it just me? I think you can see the difference, right? Remember, buyers want to buy low, sellers want to sell high. Patrick, how much money profit should I start trading with an LLC? I don't know, sir. I'm not sure. But hey, you know, thanks for tuning in, asking questions there. KNLV looked at the daily, seen a big ass engulfing candle, waited for a smaller time frame pullback, and assumed it would continue. Patrick, if you make $3,000 or Tradeify in the first day, do you have to now make $12K? Yeah, no, they're consistency rules. Worry about that. Hey, look at this. Look at how it's playing out right now. We said, kind of like thinking about maybe getting long up there, but then I was like, nah, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it, chat. Looks like I made the right decision. And that's experience, right? That is not like me not going long up there is not because of an indicator. It's not because of a book. It's not because of anything other than experience. Knowing that, hey, you know, what happens to me normally? I'll have green profits in the morning, and then I fuck around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and then what happens? I give back profits. That's just experience. That is what I've experienced over the last 8 years. So that, like, you know, in the back of my head, I'm like, hey, unless it's a setup that just looks too fucking good that I have to trade it, like it's the best setup I've ever seen in my entire life, then just don't fuck with it. You know, stay away from it. Don't fuck with it. It's okay, right? You don't have to fucking trade every little move. The quicker that you learn that you don't have to trade every single move in the market is you're that much closer to profitability. You know, like that's the truth. The faster that you learn that you don't have to trade every move of the market is just that you're that much closer to profitability. Because look, I take one trade, make $6,000. Now what? Well, this was my setup. This was what I wanted to see happen. This is exactly what we talked about. We had it all planned out before the market opened. Now that we're here at the 380s, I'm just like, I don't really know. I don't have a plan, right? I don't have like a target. I'm not like, you know, look at the bigger time frame. I'm like, you know. We did exactly what we wanted to see. We got down there to the VWAP. We pushed back up. We broke out there, 15-minute range, took out that high. And now I just like, I don't have a very clear direction where I think it's going to go next. So what do? I just stay out of it. I don't have to continue trading. Remember, $1,000 profit day, that fucking shit adds up. $500 a day, that shit adds up. Right? It adds up. You know, that shit, it literally, I know it sounds crazy, but it does. You make $500 a day for a month, it fucking adds up. You don't need to hit home run trades every single day. The worst thing when I look back at my trading, when I traded with Tradeify when I first started in the live account, my biggest problem was I was going for home run trades. I wanted $10,000, $20,000 trades every day. But there will be days where the market's not going to give you that opportunity. So you trying to always get home run trades, you're fighting the market, right? If you're trying to always swing for the fences, you're going to miss a lot. And there's going to be a lot of days where you're going to get chopped up, you're going to get your account blown up. It's not worth it. The headaches, the overall emotional distress. Like, hey, this right here, make $1,200, one trade, 2 minutes, walk away. Now it's like, now I can walk away. I can go enjoy the rest of the day. I can, I'm like mentally, I'm in a really good place. Because tomorrow morning, I'm going to come back and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to get back on the computer. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for my setup. I'm going to reward myself today because I'm like, hey, what did we do? We followed the plan. We followed exactly what we said we were going to do. We thought it was a long. We had the VWAP. We had our setup. We took the trade. We locked it in. And then we walk away. Now what happens? I don't care. I have a 401k. I have a 401k. So if the market goes up, sweet. If it goes down, whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm always making money one way or another. But trying to always trade every little fucking move in the market is just going to drive you insane. It's going to fuck you up. It's bad. So there's my little rant of the day. Hopefully you guys enjoy this is serious shit. Like I said, I have seen everything. Every influencer, every fucking deal, every little scam, every little bullshit, every little Discord. I've seen it all. I've been in multiple Discords, because like people are always like, yeah, join my Discord and you'll see how amazing it is. And I've joined very popular Discords and I've looked at their alerts. I've looked at the trades and I'm like, this ain't it. It's all smoke and mirrors. It ain't it. Right here, this is it. BDH, baby, this is it. This is it. I got an American flag behind me. How can you not love this guy? How can you not love this guy? How can you not love this guy? So, there it is. I'm going to, yes, we do a live every day, trading live here on YouTube, and locked it in. So, we're happy with that. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of the day. I suggest that you guys do exactly the same thing, right? Get in, get out, lock it down, walk away, make the money, baby. We're not here to get rich in one day. We're here to be consistent, to do it over and over and over and over and over. Because guess what? It just becomes muscle memory. It literally becomes muscle memory at that point where you just you sit down on the computer, you wait for your setup, you take the trade, you get in, you get out, red, green, it's the same bullshit. I'm taking a trade, I'm getting in, I'm getting out, I'm locking it down. And that's all I need to do every single day. I'm not here to fucking, put on 1,000 trades a day. I'm not here to trade every move. I'm here for my setup. I'm here to get my money. I'm here to get my payout. And then I'm getting the fuck out of here. So there it is. Big thank you guys for tuning in, for having fun with me. And congratulations to everybody in the chat that made some money today. If you didn't make money today, don't worry. Because guess what? There's tomorrow. There's Thursday. There's Friday. There's more money to be made. You don't have to do it all today. So there it is. I'll start seeing you guys. I'll start talking to you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Live right here at the BDH. You know how we do. What song should we walk away with? What do we got? What y'all want? The ICT? ICT? Vertigo, man. You know what's funny is when I was in Iceland, there was a guy. I was walking down a path in Iceland, and this guy, it was funny because this guy, he was behind me, and he's like, oh, you can go by me because I got vertigo. And I was like, wait a second, that guy's got vertigo.
The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused and insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. I sat there, pushed, and I fucking laid pushed. I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my
Pushed.
Little cat.
I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my god. Little cat. I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. Can you take me high? I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking money. Big drop down. Move my stock.
Big drop down. Dude, my
Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stock. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Push. I sat there, push.
Going down.
Stupid fucking car! Alright, get in here. Alright. I'm out of here, chat. See y'all never!